You know what today is?
It's Boxycharm Day, Mama.
It is Boxycharm Day. Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon, this is Tita. Click that subscribe button. If you're not new, thanks for coming back. Let's just jump into it. I will say I already looked in the box and I am slightly disappointed since this is a luxe box. But let's get into it. We've got our Paper Glam Vibes only. The first thing I see is Clean Skin Club. Hello Charmer, welcome to the Clean Skin Club. This is a 25 pack of cleaning towels. They're disposable, organic, 100% biodegradable. They are $9. Not gonna lie, I'm not like super excited about this. Let's open it and see. Don't break it, okay? Let's open this and see. It's got plastic packaging all over it. My box is a little bent up. So it just has some like paper towels in it. That's it. Not for Boxyluxe. I don't want this. Just being honest with you. Just being honest. The next thing is a Biro tomato serum. Let's see. This is $150. Don't put makeup on my clothes. $150. Tomato serum is a powerful treatment that contains gentle exfoliant tomato extract, brightening vitamin C, collagen boosting peptides or pepsode or whatever that word is. Let's see. I was expecting it to be red. It's not. It's like, looks kind of like honey almost. It's a heavy duty plastic. It has a, this is like a push button. I don't know, it doesn't really have a smell. It has a smell, but it's like kind of not chemically kind of smell, but it has a smell to it. Luminous glow, transform your skin into brighter, more youthful version. So I don't know when do you use this? Apply a few drops to your face and neck in the morning and night. Then I don't know, apply. There's a package with like little squares in it, and it just says apply on corners mirror sticker. I have no clue what this is. Is this on here somewhere? I doubt it. Anyway, let's get into this. Smushed up, but this is Skin Camp Magic Eyes Collagen Hydra Gel Eye Mask. This is a 5-pack. It has hyaluronic acid, collagen, amino boosting, and caffeine in this. And this one cost, Skin Camp, let's see, $20 for these. Let's open it and see what it looks like. Okay, got it open. It looks like there's just little pouches, like 5 individual pouches inside here, and I guess you put them under your eyes. Also for Boxyluxe, I mean, I'm just not really thrilled with that. And that one, did I say how much that was? $20? Not. Then there's this. Y'all, this box is not what I want from a Boxyluxe. I'm not even gonna lie to you, okay? This is Kukui? Is it supposed to be said like Gucci but with an O? Coochie? Cuccio? Yeah, I don't know. Okay, but it's a Calm Plus Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash, and this one retails for $39. So almost $40, $39.95. It's a new shower cleansing body and hand wash. Blah blah blah. I'm not gonna open this. I'm just gonna give this to somebody in the giveaway. Also, I will talk about the giveaway in a minute. We are having a giveaway. Forgot to mention that in the beginning. I see, well, you got a lot going on, honey. Yeah, you got a lot. The next thing I see, again, this is a disappointment for a Boxyluxe box. Not gonna lie. It's a double-ended brush. I never know what to do with these brushes. It feels soft. I like the color. This side says, the bigger side says blush. The smaller side says highlight. And this brush is $24. Multitasking, dual-ended best friend, synthetic vegan brush, blah, blah, blah. I don't, like, what am I gonna, I don't like double-ended brushes because I have nowhere to stick them. So you want the, oh my God, you got a lot happening. Got a few more things. At the end of the video, I'll talk about the giveaway. It's a nice giveaway. Huh? Wipe your, I don't have anything. I do have something to wipe your face with. I have these new wipes that I'm not super pleased about. There you go. I don't know if you're supposed to get these wet, but that didn't go well. I'm assuming you get these wet. Let me see. Oh, okay, y'all, I see. So these little stickers are for you to mount this to your mirror. This paper box. I would not do that ever. Okay, that's ghetto. Next thing, this is nice. Fenty. I think, like, I don't know if everybody's getting this, but I know this woman I watch, Raquel, Look Cute Nurse is her channel. Been watching her for years. Love her. She got a lot of this stuff too. So this is the, but we didn't get the same thing. She got something different than me. And I'm kind of happy that I didn't get what she got, because although what she got was nice, I like this one more. This is the Penny for Your Thoughts. And this one costs $36. Y'all, check her out, girl. Yes. Y'all know Mama got to swatch this. I have, like, oh no, please don't. Bless you. I have a ton of Fenty highlighters. So I like this, and I actually feel like I would really like this to put on my eyelids, because I love doing that with, like, bronzers or like this. So I'm happy about this. This is almost making the box okay for me. So just throwing that out there. Then I got this. She got this too. This was expensive. She said this was expensive. Yeah. So this is the 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Treatment Masks, whatever, $135. When she said it was $135, I was like, girl, what? So this is the Ultimate Pre-Event Mask. Hydrogel formula, infuses the skin with radiant boosting ingredients. Let's open it and see, because y'all, how many come in here? So you got five of these for $135. Y'all know in real life I would never buy these because I'm so cheap. But I'm gonna try them out, and I hope that they're great. You showing everybody your nightgown? Last thing that we got.
Mama, please.
She got this palette too, and it was pretty, and I was hoping for it. Okay, good. This is the Hip Dot Zion eyeshadow palette. I mean, when she showed the palette, I was like, oh, just the packaging on it makes me, I'm intrigued by it. This is actually a $30 palette. I'm not gonna read that because you know what it says. It just says this is a palette, but these shades are giving me life. Seriously, giving me life. Girl, you are shining. Look at you. Goals. Hashtag goals. I'm going to swatch just a couple of these because Mama needs to. Let's go with this one here. It's Virgin. Ooh, hello. Oh, yeah. I'm liking this Sublime color. I don't know what this color is, but let's swatch that too. Oh, wow, that's really, really, really pigmented. Okay, so I say that this box is not, thanks, I'll use that too. I say that this box is really not, like, that great. For Luxe, it's not that great. I mean, these two items I love. And in the end, I might love these masks and the under eye thing. I don't know, but overall for a Luxe box, I feel like I just expect a lot more. Okay, really quickly, let's just talk about the giveaway. If you don't know, we do a giveaway every month on our Boxycharm videos. I did a Morphe video recently asking which one y'all thought I should put into the giveaway for this month's Boxycharm. And I'm gonna go with the bigger one. But I will say, I have some other palettes and stuff. I have some other stuff in my box here for the giveaway, but this one will go in this month's giveaway. I'll show y'all really quickly. If you want to enter it, you can. I'm gonna keep the plastic on it though. Really pretty palette. This is the 18T Truth or Bare from Morphe. I think this is a beautiful palette and somebody will really enjoy it. If you want to enter the giveaway, all you need to do is subscribe to our channel. Make sure you click the bell so you get notifications, like this video, and drop a comment. Let me know what your Instagram handle is, and make sure you follow me on Instagram. Everything will be linked below. So if you're the winner, I will DM you on Instagram, and then I'll probably come back over to the comments and let you know to check your DMs, because they go to like that requested box that sometimes people don't check. This giveaway is going to last for 2 weeks, so that is the 24th, I think. So not the Thursday coming up, but next Thursday, and I will let the winner know. I will let the winner know through Instagram, and I'll also comment here and let you know too. But if you want to get this palette and stay informed on all of our future giveaways, I'll show you some of the other stuff we do have coming up in a giveaway. This palette, we've got this Laura Geller palette. We've got a, what is this? A Lily Lash Mascara. We've got an eyeshadow. This cute little Juicy Couture bag. Oh my God. So we've got a lot of stuff to put in different giveaways, so make sure that you stay tuned for all of that. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell. Hello. And all those good things. Bye.